Alrighty, we're here with another unboxing. I'm gonna skip the struggle and get right to it. Alright, we've gotten past the hard part. Now, let's see what's inside. Alrighty. Ooh, well, this looks pretty interesting. I like the packaging. Keep the bubble wrap. I like it. Oh, I love the way he packages these. It's always Christmas time with with Florida Stacker. That's cool. Dun 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 dun. What do you guys think inside? Well, you can probably see from the thumbnail. I probably just gave it away. But let's see. My very first Scottsdale Stacker. In God we trust. I love it. A little toning on it. Looks beautiful. Look at that. So this here is a 10 ounce, 10 troy ounces of Scottsdale silver. And these are stackable, so I'm gonna need to get me another one so I can stack them on top of each other and stack, right? Funny thing, I have the coin of this, and that I also only have one of. So I'm gonna need to get two of each now to double this up. So what do you like? You guys have any 10 ounce bars? Is that a favorite of yours to collect? Is it not? Tell me. I would love to know in the comments. Let's get this conversation started. See you there. Mr. Stacker out.